How to turn silent mode on or off on your iPhone 8 Plus without using the physical mute switch. If your iPhone's silent switch is not working properly, or you simply want another way to control silent mode, you can use Assistive Touch. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch. Then select Assistive Touch and turn it on. Once enabled, you will see the Assistive Touch button on your screen. Under Custom Actions, you will find options like Single Tap, Double Tap, and Long Press. I recommend using Double Tap or Long Press instead of Single Tap to avoid accidentally switching your iPhone to silent mode. Tap on Double Tap. Scroll down, select Mute. And now, double tapping the Assistive Touch button will instantly switch between silent mode and ring mode. So, this is how to control silent mode on iPhone 8 Plus without using the side mute switch. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.